Honestly, this is the nicest dinner I've had in a long time.
Maybe it's the company that makes it special.
You always know the right thing to say.
You know, I didn't expect tonight to feel this comfortable.
Honestly, neither did I.
Feels like I've known you for a long time.
We'll just connect naturally.
You don't need to subscribe or pay for any AI tool before you start generating AI's videos with this website you are seeing right here. This website, you don't even need to register and you will be generating videos. Everything about the AI is free. There is nothing like you need to register before you start generating videos. You need to subscribe. You need credit. You need all those things. No, nothing. You don't need credit. You don't need to subscribe. You don't need to register before you start generating videos on this website. I just found this website where you can generate videos for free without paying for anything. So let me show you how you are going to use this app and generate videos for yourself. And don't forget to share, like, and also comment in this video. Now, let's get started.
So before I show you guys the platform I use, the free platform, let me first of all show you guys how I created that video. You just watch that video you see there. This is how I create the video. I went to ChatGPT and I write my video idea to ChatGPT. I say I want to generate AI video. The video I want the video to be a man and a woman sitting in a modern luxurious restaurant, taking food, drinking together, laughing together. So the video should have dialogue. This is what I explained to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT writes this to me. This is the image prompt, and this is the image to video prompt, and this is the camera movement, because I explained everything on my video idea. As you can see, I say, so the video should have a dialogue, and also I want image to video prompt with the dialogue and this camera motion movement. As you can see, everything I explain it here. So now this is how it is. Now the first thing I do to get that result, that video, I generate my image, and this is what I do. I copy this image prompt here, this master image prompt. I copy it. Now after I copy it, the next thing I go to my Google. You can go to your Google, or if you are using your phone, you can just download this app. Now you can just download this app. Just search for Gemini. As you can see, just search for it and you enter it like this. Now the app is going to open, so just leave it some minutes. You can download the app. You go to Google Play Store or your Apple Store, you download the app. So after you download it, you register, you click on this plus icon, then you click on create image. As you can see, create image here. Then I'm going to click on create image, and I'm going to paste that prompt. That prompt I just copy right now. I'm going to paste the prompt, and I'll click on submit. So after I click on submit, it will start generating the image. As you can see, it's creating the image right now. So I just have to give it some minutes, like let's say some second, and it's going to generate the image for us. And after I generate the image, we are going to turn the image to video with the AI tool I show you guys. I want to show you guys now. This is the image. You guys can see the image. I can just click on download, and I'm going to download the image to my phone. So if you don't know how to generate image, this is how you are going to generate the image. Now the image has been downloaded. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to come back to ChatGPT and come back to image to video prompt. I'm going to copy everything here like this from this camera movement prompt. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to copy everything now with the dialogue, everything. I'm going to copy everything like this. After copying, as you can see, I'll click on copy, and I'll go back to this AI tool. Now this is the AI tool we are going to be using to generate our video. This is the AI tool. Now when you come back to the AI tool, the name of the AI tool is going to be in the description, or this is the name of the AI tool showing right now on your screen. You can go to your Google and you search for the AI tool. This is the name of the AI tool. As you can see, make sure you watch this video to the end. Don't come and tell me you want to, because you have seen the name of the AI tool and you want to generate video, you generate videos once and it stop working and you cannot be able to generate video again. Don't be telling me that. So make sure you watch this video. Just go to your browser, you search for the name of the AI tool. This is the name here. As you can see, this is the name. So you just register your account and you come back to your profile icon. When you click on your profile icon, you are going to see AI video generation, AI image, video, all these things you are going to see it. So you can also generate image, but right now let's click on video. Now when you click on video, you are going to see a lot of AI tools. As you can see, 1.3.0, all these things you are going to see them. But right now I want us to use all these things. Now let's just try Grok, because I know a lot of you like Grok. Let's try Grok. You click on Grok here. Now let's click on Grok. Now when you click on Grok, it's going to open like this. As you can see, Grok AI, all these things you are going to see. Image to video, text to image, all these things you are going to see them. Now let's click on remove all. Click on remove all. Then that our image we just generated ago. We click on this icon here and we are going to upload that image. Now let's upload that image. Let me upload that image. This is the image here. This is the image. We click on open. So it's uploading our image right now. As you can see, uploading file. So it's uploading our image. So after it's uploaded our image, this is where you are going to put your prompt. So we just need to delete all this one here. Make sure you guys are following. Let's click on delete and we remove this one. Now after we remove that prompt, we are going to paste the prompt here. Now you see our image has uploaded. This is our image. Now I've also put my prompt. Now I'll put this on normal. After put it on normal, let me select aspect ratio 16.9. You select your aspect ratio. Duration, you can decide to choose 30 seconds or any one you choose, but I'll be leaving it in 6 seconds. Then after you put it on 6 seconds, you are going to see run here. As you can see run, you click on this run, and when you click on run, as you can see, it's running right now. Now when you look here, as you can see, create is creating our video for us right now. So for those of you that said you want to create video and it's not working, now this is it. It's working. It's generating the video. If you increase this duration, it may not generate your video. So just leave it in default. That is 6 seconds. Just leave it in 6 seconds. If you put it on maybe you want to put it 50 seconds or 30 seconds, it will not generate the video. So let's give it some minutes. As you can see, just in less than 1 minute, it's going to generate this video for us. So let's give it some minutes. Now, as you can see, the video is complete. This is the video here. Let me play the video. Let me play it.
Honestly, this is the nicest
is the
dinner I've had
video.
in a long time.
Maybe it's the company that makes it special.
You always know the right thing to say.
So this is the video I just played right now. So if you want to download the video, you are going to see download here, and the video will start downloading. As you can see, the video is downloading. So let me go back to ChatGPT again. Let me go back to ChatGPT. I have my second prompt here also. The second prompt, that is image to video prompt again. The second prompt, I'll just copy it again also. I'll copy it. Sorry, let me recopy it again. Image to video prompt, I'll copy everything again. Let's copy. I'm still copying everything. And to this place. And I'm going to click on copy. After copying, I'll go back to the AI tool again. After going back to the AI tool, I've downloaded the first one. All I just need to do, I'll just replace this prompt. And I will use the same image. I'll use the same image. So I'll just replace this prompt here. I'll select everything. And I will replace this prompt. So let me select everything again. I've not selected it all. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry, I'm using my laptop. So that is why. So I've removed all the prompts here. So after removing all the prompts, I'm going to paste the new prompt. After pasting the new prompt, I'll go back. After go back, I'll just click on generate again. And when I click on generate, it will start generating the second scene, as you can see. So you can generate videos with it. 1 video, 2 videos. Now, as you can see, I'm generating 2 videos because I've generated the first one and I've saved that one. I'm generating the second one again. I'm also going to save it. If I want to generate the third one, I'll also generate it. So this is how you are going to be generating video clip by clip. You generate it clip by clip and you want to add it up together on your CapCut. If you don't know how to add it together on CapCut, let me show you how you are going to do that after the end of this video. So make sure you watch it. After this video is generated, I'm going to take you guys to CapCut and show you how you are going to add the video together using CapCut app. A long video, because some of you will be asking questions, you don't know how to create long video, you only generate 6-second videos. No, you have to generate it clip by clip, just the way I do right now. Like the first one, it generates 6 seconds. Another third one, it generates 6 seconds again. You generate 6 seconds, 60-second videos. And after you generate like 100 clips, that is 6 seconds, you know, if you combine them, it will be long video. So this is how you are going to be generating video. Now, the second one has also been done. Now let's play it also and see.
You know, I didn't expect tonight to feel this comfortable.
Honestly, neither did I.
Feels like I've known you for a long time.
We'll just connect naturally.
So you guys seen it, you guys have seen it, so I can also download this one. So if I have my next prompt again, I can also copy it and save it and do the same thing, and my video will be like continuation video. So this is how you are going to do it. Now you click on this three dots here. You can now let me take you guys to CapCut and show you how you are going to add the video together. Now just go to your CapCut app on your phone. CapCut app on your phone. CapCut is going to open like this. So these are some of my projects I've done so far with my CapCut to open. I'm using my laptop. That is why you guys have seen it like this. And you click on import. So let me take it back. This is the first video here. This is the first video, and this is the second video. You mark all the video. So if you have 10 video scene, you just mark them one by one. After you mark them and you import them to CapCut. Now the video I've import, this is all the video together. This is the video. So let me take this to side so that you guys are going to see it very well. Now if I play it, you are going to see the video. This is the video here. I'm trying to move it to side, but you know, this is I try to flip my phone, so that is why you guys are not seeing it very well. But you just add everything together. You just add it together on CapCut, and you are going to it.
Now you have seen the AI tool which you can use to generate videos for yourself, where you don't need to register, you don't need to subscribe, you don't need to pay for any credit, nothing like credit. You have seen everything. Don't forget to share this video, and if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed or you have not followed, make sure you follow, so that anytime we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.